Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to talk about 2 skincare products that were actually worth the money for me. Over the past 2-3 years, I've worked hard to figure out what's going on with my skin. I've had to deal with crazy acne, breakout skin condition that I never had to as a teenager. I see most people get a lot of acne when they're a teenager. I never went through that acne phase when I was a teenager. I didn't get acne until I was in my 20s, which was crazy because I didn't understand why I was getting acne. I'm not a teenager anymore. So I went and learned about acne in general over the past 3 years, and I've had so much to learn, guys. And not only that, I spent so much money on products that didn't do anything for my skin. Now guys, I'm not an expert, so I'm not telling you acne products don't work. It's just a lot of products on the market did not work for my skin type and what I had going on, and that's because I had a lot of internal things going on, not so much external. So topical products were not what I needed. I needed to fix my health, which it took me a while to figure out because I didn't have that much knowledge on nutrition and health and fitness. So the first thing, of course, I did was went and bought a lot of acne and base product and cleansing and all that, and wasted a lot of money, guys. Way over $2,000 on products. I wish I had the stack of products to show you guys, but I threw all of them away as I went along. But the good thing about that is I got a chance to go through a lot of products, learn a lot, and found 2 products that were actually worth the money, which I'm excited about because I've been using these products for over a year and a half. And I not only wanted to show you guys good, natural, healthy skincare tips, but also if I find a product that works, I want to show it to you guys as well, because the products on the market, they can be very cheap or they can be crazy expensive, like $200 for a little 2-ounce bottle of something. And it's good to know when something works and versus when something doesn't work, so you don't have to waste your money, guys. Since I wasted a lot of money on products, I wanted to tell you guys 2 products that were actually worth the money. So the products we're going to talk about today, guys, are my vitamin C serum and my Snail Mucin Power Essence. These 2 products, I've used them, as I said, for over a year and a half, and I love the result they've given me, not only because they are good products, guys, but because they've helped to fix my skin, to help my skin survive on its own. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about each of these products. The first one, guys, we're going to talk about is this vitamin C serum. Now, I've tried a couple of vitamin C serum, and I'm gonna have them right here for you guys. I didn't save the bottle, like I said, but I do have them here. They were all decent, but at the end of the day, I've always gone back to this, guys. And this is the Clarity Skincare Vitamin C Serum Advanced Anti-Aging Formula, and this has 25% vitamin C, hallucinic acid, jojoba oil, plus vitamin E. And it also has a range of ingredients. This vitamin C serum, one of the best thing about it is it's under $20. I buy this on Amazon. The price varies from $15 to $11. I purchase it. But the cool thing about this, guys, is they always give me a coupon on Amazon, so I absolutely love it. When I go buy it, I usually get $1 to $2, sometimes $3 off. Now, the reason, guys, I want to tell you about vitamin C is because vitamin C has so much benefit for your skin, guys. Vitamin C serum helps to brighten the skin. It helps with hyperpigmentation, even out skin tone. It helps your skin stay hydrated. It also allows the skin to retain moisture. Another great thing about vitamin C, guys, that I love, it helps your skin treat inflammatory conditions like the inflammatory acne, guys, I told you I usually get. This has been one of the best help for me to help treat those acne. It also protects your skin from sun damage, as well as one of the best thing about vitamin C is usually it's safe for all skin type. I use this in the morning because I have another product for nighttime, and I love using this whenever my skin is going to be exposed to any kind of element, environmental condition, and which is every day, guys. So every morning I'll clean up my face toner with my aloe juice, and then I'll put this vitamin C serum on. It works with my shea butter moisture. When I put them together, my skin just looks nice, feels healthy, it looks so much better, and it stays safe. I rarely get sunburn, guys, and if I do get it, I have my aloe treatment for that, which I use on my skin. But that has been one of the best help to help my skin not only stay hydrated, keep the hyperpigmentation and inflammation away, but also it's helped to treat my skin every day and keep the moisture in, which is one of the best help to keep your face looking younger, healthier, and more youthful, guys, is keeping it moisturized. Now, guys, we're going to move on to the Snail Mucin. Now, this is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and this is Course RX. I hope I'm saying that right, guys. This brand, I found it through my sister, actually. She showed me the company brand, and she bought a couple of products from them. When I went to read through them, I wanted this essence, this power essence, because it had so much benefit for exactly what I needed. Now, the Snail Mucin, guys, it helps to firm and tighten your skin. It also boosts elastin and collagen production in the skin. It replenishes moisture in your skin while it's minimizing wrinkles and fine lines on your face. It also repairs your damaged skin. So if you have any damage on your skin, guys, it's going to help to repair that so your skin can get back to its healthy state. It fights blemishes on your skin, and also, like the vitamin C, helps to even out your skin tone. So any hyperpigmentation, all those, they're going to be going away. It's going to help clear them up. And again, from everything I've read, guys, it's also compatible with all skin types. So if you have oily, combination, dry skin, both of these guys will work great for your skin. Now, for this Snail Mucin, I told you guys I have something else I use at night. I put this guy on at night. I've seen people put it on during the day or night. It is up to you and your skin need. So you can put it on whenever you need it or want to. And I usually use this at night because I have the vitamin C in the morning. And this helps my skin stay so moisturized, guys, at night. It helps it stay plump. As it says, it helps to firm up your skin. And I love the way it feels. When I first used it, guys, it felt tacky on my face and it took a while for it to seep in. But the trick to that is you have to realize when you're putting a product on your face, it's not soaking in, your skin is not drinking it up. Most likely that's because your skin needs to be exfoliated so your pores can be unclogged, so your skin can breathe and absorb product. It's a great idea also to steam your face to clean out your pores. I've heard people say it feels really tacky, sticky, it stays on their skin. It might be because your skin needs to be exfoliated, because mine sure did when I first put it on. But now when I put it on, it takes less than 10 seconds for it to soak into my skin, and I love that. And even though it's soaked in, it doesn't sit on your face. It goes completely in. Your skin still doesn't feel dry. It feels nice. It feels hydrated, and it's ready for a moisturizer to be put on top of it, which I love about it. Now, the vitamin C, when you put it on, it soaks right into your skin as well. The Pores RX is $15, I believe. It, again, price varies on Amazon. Sometimes I've bought it for $17. So it all depends on the price change. The cool thing about the Snail Mucin is that snail secretion is 96% concentrated, and there's just a few ingredients added to that, which are all meant to work with the Snail Mucin and just treat your skin even more. So guys, these are my two products. I love them. I will have a blog for you guys actually to put in so much more detail about these two, because it's a lot to go into, and I wanted to give you guys a lot of information about them. I will have all the links down below, guys, where I got these. As I said, I got both of them on Amazon, and these guys, I get them for about $30 to $33 both, usually when I'm ordering them. So not a bad price, because they both last me from 3 to 6 months depending on how much I'm using them. So not a bad buy at all. $30 minimum if you're buying skincare products, which work and does so much compared to all the products I used to buy, guys. They do about 90% of all the products I used to buy combined. I love them. And if you guys are looking for products to help heal your skin, keep it hydrated, keep your skin youthful, guys, keep your skin firm, nice, and looking healthy, which is important to me, to keep the hyperpigmentation away, to keep my skin healthy, because it's not just about a look. I want my skin to actually be healthy, and that's what I'm telling you guys about these two products. They work. They're worth the price and totally worth a try if you're looking for products to help enhance your skin and keep it healthy. So all the links will be down for you guys below in the comment section, with all the description and the blog to tell you guys a lot more about this. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any recommendation for skincare products that you've tried for a while and see it's tried and true, you know that they work, please comment down below, guys, and let us know, because as I said, I went through a lot of skincare products before I found these two, and I absolutely love them because they work and I didn't waste my money. So any comments you guys have about any skincare products that you love and try, please comment down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, guys, subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos out. Please leave all of your comments down below about any skincare. Give this video a thumbs up and go over and watch my last video.